Looking for the right car? Today could be your lucky day. With 24,950 miles, this Sangria Red Metallic 2009 Ford Expedition equipped with automatic transmission could be yours. Request more information and set up a test drive right away.